Okay, I'm really looking for some help and advice here. I've tried to contact Ravenheat with no success. I've emailed them a couple of times, nothing back. I have the Ravenheat HE42T, the non-white heat model. When I start my boiler up, starts great, nice heating, all the rest of it works great. After about half an hour, 40 minutes, this is what happens. This is me got it on full. Look at controls here, as high as it goes. I can turn it down, so it's not working as hard. However, it doesn't matter which way I do it, I need to have it on that, because what happens is, boiler heating is on, boiler kicks in, temperature rises away up to 80, fan comes on, you can hear, stops ignition, it then cools down to around about 60 degrees. When it hits that 60 degree level, it'll, yeah, I just heard it, it kicks back in, flame on. I'll just show you just now, there you go, flame on. Races all the way back up to the 80. Changing sound for the fan. This will drop in temperature all the way back down to 60. And if you listen, you will hear the boiler kick back in, the whoomp kind of sound. There you go. Then the flame will come back on, and that's ignited, that's just the register of it obviously. And then it races all the way back up to 80. Only races to 80 because I've got the control here up as full as it goes. If I was to turn it down anywhere, then I would get no heat, it would just be up and down because it just hits the temperature level so quickly and it goes back down again. So my boiler's going on, off, on, off, on, off all the time. Obviously not very efficient for heating the radiators up, etc. So Ravenheat boiler, Ravenheat HE42T, cost me £1,000. This thing's a year old. Like I said, contacted Ravenheat a couple of times, they're no help or assistance whatsoever. I'm looking for some kind people out there to tell me what's wrong with this boiler and see how I can get it repaired. Thank you.